Facebook ads tutorial. So if you want to go ahead and learn how you're going to set up your Facebook ads, this is the video for you. So to start setting up Facebook ads, obviously I assume that you have a business account on Facebook or a professional account on Facebook, and you also have it set it up on your Meta. Okay, so I'm going to switch over to my business section. Okay, I'm going to switch over to my accounts which have, actual pages. And then I'm going to come here where it says Ads Manager, and I'm going to go over to this. Okay, and also make sure to open up your Meta Business Suite because that is where you can create the different pixels for those ads. But yeah, you can come to the Ads Manager section over here. And once you come here, this is where you can start creating new ads. So simply click on create, and as you can see, it takes you into load and creation. So you can start creating new campaigns for new ads. So first of all, there's buying type. Okay, so there's either reservation or auction. Okay, then there's campaign objective. It could either be to increase your awareness, to increase traffic, increasing engagement, increasing leads, app promotions, sales, and a whole lot more. So I'm going to go with awareness and click on continue. And once you do that, you can go ahead and add details for this ad. And once you've added your details, simply click on next. And once you do that, that's going to generate the campaign for your ad in the easiest way. How to run ads on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. In this video, we're going to be talking about how you're going to be able to run ads on your Facebook. So to do this, what you're simply going to be doing is you're going to come over to your professional account, and here you're going to go to Ads Manager, okay? So in your Ads Manager, what this will do is it's going to be taking you to the actual ads section where you can create ads, create campaigns, and start publishing or publicizing those campaigns. So once we're over here, simply go to create. Once you click on create from here, you're going to go ahead and choose a campaign objective. Would it be awareness, traffic, engagement, leads, app promotion? I'm going to go with traffic. Click on continue. Once you do that, click on continue again. And then it's going to, start asking you a few questions about your ad. And once you answer all of them, just make sure to go ahead and click on next. It's going to verify your data, verify your edits, click on next, keep clicking on next. And yeah, from there on out, you are going to be able to run ads on Facebook for your traffic. And that's pretty much about it for this video.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to publish Reels on Facebook. Let's launch the app first. You want to go all the way to the top where is the plus sign next to the magnifying glass and the messenger icon. You click on the plus sign and then you select Reel. You click on Reels, and now, for example, you want to create a particular picture with a sound with some editing for Reels. We choose this thumbnail from our previous video. Now, we can go about it in many different ways. You can definitely explore, first of all, the audio functionality, which means you can actually add a music or you can add a voiceover. If you add some of these functions on top of the regular music or sound or voiceover, you need to adjust the levels of each one. For example, if you have a music, you want to make sure that the music tone is much lower than the actual voiceover so people can actually hear your voiceover, and vice versa. If you don't have reasons for people to hear your voiceover more than the music, you want to simply make the tone higher than the actual voiceover. We're not going to add music in this case, but what we can actually do as well, we can add some text. You can add whatever you like, but the idea over here is that the full customization makes the post great. You can change the background of the colors, you can change the font, you can change where the font is actually located on the screen. The alignment of the font is very, very important. In our case, that will be enough. Now we can scroll down and we can actually add a particular effects on this, right? We can add plenty of different effects to be more vintage, to be more moved, to look like a poster, to look like more like a IG theme, right? If you have a voiceover, it will also be nice to include the captions, which is the button beneath the effects. You click on captions. We don't have any sound or any voice. This is why captions is not available for us. but we can use the other remaining features such as the stickers. For example, here you can actually include the time, you can include an avatar, you can include Friday as a celebration of Friday, for example. Then everything could be moved around. If you don't like something, all you gotta do is to put your finger on top of it, hold your finger, and then drag it all the way down to the garbage bin. Next, what you want to do when you finish editing, you gotta press next, and over here you have the function to actually choose who can see your reel. That's very, very important. You can select part of your friends to see the reel. You can actually tag the friends that you really want to see and you want to make sure that they can see the reel. You can add the location. Very important, you can automatically share the reel on Instagram. There is an option called share to Instagram. I don't have this automatically on, but you can set this as a default. So every time when you post a new reel, it will automatically go post it on Instagram as well. You can add different topics. For example, if your reel is related to TV shows, to sports, to pets, to your hobby, vacation, this will make it much easier for the algorithm of Facebook to deliver your video to the right audience. So you will essentially have more engagement. Otherwise, it will be hard for the Facebook algorithm to find audience or the right audience for your video. Next option, of course, you can invite someone else to collaborate with you on the particular content, or if it was someone that you record the video with, you can actually include this person over here, invite collaborator. You can also earn money if you're eligible and have a professional account. You can get rewarded if you actually turn on the stars. And essentially, guys, that's it. Include some caption, describe your video, and don't forget to change or at least filter the publicity of the reel. Do you want to see your reel being public and having people that you don't know commenting, liking, interacting with? Or you want to create a reel and just share it with your friends? Subscribe and come back for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to log out from Messenger. Facebook has been doing a lot of updates and changes, and things are getting more and more complicated. It is harder and harder to find the actual menu. So let's dive in. First of all, let's launch the Messenger app. Now you want to go on the top left corner where you have the three stripes. You click on them. Then when you have your account page pull on the side, you want to click on the gear icon. When you click on the gear icon, you will go into your settings. You want to scroll all the way down. When you're all the way down on the account center meta, you want to click on see more account center. When you're here, you want to click on password and security. It's almost at the end of the menu. When you click on password and security, you have the option to see security checks. This will help you to review the security issues and where you actually log in, which devices you log in, which emails, and how you can actually log out from some of those devices or pages or websites. So you click on where you're currently logged in. Here you will find all the accounts that you currently log in. You will see which account is associated with what device. For example, you have a tablet, you have a laptop, and you have another phone that are all currently logged in into your account. Very important, this function will also show you all the linked accounts. For example, if you're running a couple of different Instagram pages, and if you link these pages with Facebook, and I bet you already did, well, you will have the option to actually remove the devices that are currently logged in, either on the Facebook account, on Messenger account, or on Instagram account. This is very helpful because you will be able to change your settings once for all of the accounts at the same time. You don't have to go individually on Instagram settings or Facebook settings, or here in this particular case with Messenger settings. But as you saw, it is getting harder and harder, and they try to essentially hide this particular function. I'm not gonna be surprised if future you might not be able to delete your account and you have to send an email with the inquiry for you to get your account deleted. It will not be an option for you manually to click delete my account or deactivate my account. This is my expectation and my own personal opinion. Subscribe to the channel, guys, and come back for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to uninstall Facebook Messenger on iPhone. First thing first, you want to click on the Messenger, and this time around I want you to hold your finger on the actual icon. You want to hold on it and you will have the option to remove the app. Clicking on remove app doesn't mean that you're going to automatically remove the messenger and delete the messenger. This will simply give you two options, in which option number one will be to delete the app, which essentially means that you're going to uninstall the app and the app will no longer be on the device. Or option number two, which is remove from the whole screen, which essentially means that the shortcut for Messenger will no longer appear, but the app still will be installed and still will be on the back end of the actual software. So you want to make sure that you know exactly what you want to achieve. Do you want just to hide the shortcut icon from the actual start menu, or you want to uninstall the app itself? This is very, very important. There's a major difference in between. So you want to make sure that you click on the option that actually suits you, because there is a vast difference. If you delete by mistake, you have to go back to the iOS App Store and you have to download again, and then you have to input your login and password. So if you really want to delete it, you want to make sure you have saved up your password and login information, because at some point you might simply want to go back and log in or download the app. Subscribe and come back for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find and recover deleted Facebook Messenger messages. This is very, very important. A lot of people have a lot of mail, a lot of notifications, so sometimes they simply delete something that they shouldn't. First of all, let's click on the Messenger app itself. Next step, you want to click on the top left corner when you see the three straight lines. You click on them, and then you click on the fourth option, which is archive. When you click on archive here, you will be able to find all the messages, comments, including from stories, from your friends' posts, something that you comment, something that you interact, something that you send, even messages that you removed from Facebook Marketplace. For example, somebody lists something that you want to buy, you had questions for, you message, you bought the item, or you simply didn't add more interest with it. You delete the message will be simply here. You can scroll down and you will find messages that are here since at least 2020, 2021. This is very, very important, because in any case, if you simply had a communication that you deleted, and this communication should be here in the archive. If you had old communication, chat messages, comments that you did not delete, this simply will be on the history on the feed and it will not be in the archive. So if you guys looking for something over here, you can simply hold on the actual messages in the archive and restore the message back to the location where it appeared first. This means that if you comment something on Facebook Marketplace, by clicking restore, the comment will go back. If you comment on someone else's story, the comment will go back and reappear on the story itself. Chats and any other example of communication that you previously had and you deleted manually will appear here and will be able to be simply recovered from here. Subscribe and come back for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Facebook account on Android and iOS. Let's dive in. First of all, you want to launch the Facebook app, and then you want to click on the lower right corner where you have your profile image. Then you want to click on the gear icon on the top right corner, and then you want to click on the new setting that was just added with the recent update from Facebook, which is Meta Account Center. You click on Meta Account Center, and here on the last part of the 3-section menu, you will see the option that it says Account Settings, which has the second line of option, which is Personal Details. you want to click on personal details, and then you will be able to click on the last option, which is account ownership and control. You click on account ownership and control, and here you can actually delete or deactivate your account. Usually you will find not only your Facebook account, but you will find also Instagram accounts linked to this Facebook account. So click on the account that you want to delete. You have to input your login information again to confirm your deletion. And after you click delete, you will have 30 days to change your mind. Even though you press the button delete, you still will have 30 days to reactivate your account and change your mind. Now, you probably wonder how you can actually reactivate your account. You can do so by simply going back to the Facebook app and log in again. The moment you log in again in the Facebook app, in the account that you act to be deleted, your account will simply be reactivated. This is very important, and you want to make sure that when you actually reactivate your account, you go back to the personal details in same exact section and you see your account status. This is very important. Again, this thing works only by individual selection of the accounts. Like I mentioned here, you will find Instagram accounts that are linked with this account and Facebook accounts or Facebook pages. So if you want to delete multiple different accounts that are linked to this main account, you have to go about individual deletion. You have to click on each account on Facebook or Instagram, log in, delete, and come back. Log in, delete, and come back. This is how you're gonna go about by deleting multiple accounts at the same time. If you guys found this video helpful, subscribe and come back for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to reactivate old Facebook pages. First thing you want to do, you want to click on Facebook, then you want to click on the top right corner where you see the gear icon. You want to click on the gear icon, and then you want to click on the right side of the magnifying glass. You want to go on the search bar, right? On the search bar you want to type create a page. When you type this one, you will have plenty of options over here. The third option, as you can see over here, is reactivate page. This is where you're gonna click, and if you previously created pages that you archived or you make them private, right, or simply deactivate the pages, you will be able to reactivate pages. Very important is that you can also convert profiles into pages and pages into profile. This is also something that you can do over here. Also plenty of options. You can see that the main point is that all the pages that have your permission, if you manage pages for other people, you will see device permissions, right? And all the pages that are associated you as a manager for the pages will also be able to be reactivated from here. And this is something very important because a lot of the pages that you deactivate will not appear on your profile. Usually when you create a page, you have your profile icon on Facebook, and then when you click pages, your page that you create or you manage or you own, it's on the top of the list. But if you deactivate your page, when you click pages, you will see every other page that you're following besides yours. Your page will not appear at all. This is why this is the only way for you to go back to find the page from here. Click reactivate your page. It will ask you which page you want to reactivate. Then you're going to click on the page, and then you have to put in your credentials. It works the same way when you actually try to deactivate your Facebook account or Instagram account. The main difference is that when you do so, right, you will have a much short time frame to do so. And again, usually they will ask you for the second way to verify that it's you, while here your page is part of your profile. I assume that this is simply something that is coming out of your profile. So if you're able to log in into Facebook and reactivate your page, it makes sense that you are the owner of the page and you're the owner of the account. For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the dark mode on Facebook Messenger. First thing first, let's launch the Messenger app. When you're on Messenger, you want to click on the top left corner where you see the three straight lines. You click on the three straight lines, and then the new menu that pops out, you want to click on the gear icon over here. You click on the gear icon, and the first available option in the settings is actually dark mode. You click on dark mode, and this is where the magic happens. You have on, off, and you have the system. System essentially means that what is the default mode on your own phone. If you have on your default settings on your device, for example, Android or iPhone, you have a dark mode on your phone, this is what it means. In my particular case, this is a dark mode, this is the system mode, this is the default. This is what I have on my phone, and the app will simply match my settings on the phone. Otherwise, you can simply do it off. Now you can see manually adjusting the difference between the actual default mode on the phone and the mode on the actual app. We can go back to on again, and this is how easy it is, guys. For more amazing secret tips, subscribe and follow for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download Facebook Reels on your own phone. Let's launch the Facebook app first. Let's pick a reel. This sounds like a cool one. Let's download it. You want to click on the three dots on the lower right corner. Then you want to copy the link of the video. Then I want you to go on Google and I want you to type fdownloader.net. Here we're going to paste the link with it you just copied, right? This is different app. And there is the video that we actually placed with the goat. All you gotta do is to select the quality in which you want to download and click download. As you can see, you have an option to render and you have an option to actually download without rendering. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to unblock people that you block on Facebook. First thing, let's launch the Facebook app. Then you want to click on the lower right corner where you see your profile picture. Next step will be to go on the top right corner where you see the gear icon. You click on the gear icon and you're on the settings and privacy. What you want to do from now on is to scroll down to the section that is simply related to audience and visibility. The almost second to the last option will be blocking. You click on blocking and here you will find people that once you block. And this is very important because you can simply create a brand new list or simply unblock all these people. Scrolling down, I presume you do have much more people that you block. Unfortunately, you can actually Google for individual people or persons by clicking the plus sign. You can actually type the name of the person because sometimes you probably block someone a couple of months or years ago, and now you try to reunite with the person, you try to establish new relationship. So it will be much easier for you to go and look for the person in the blocked list, because if you simply go on Facebook search and search for the person, because you block it, it most likely not gonna show on the public search. So the only way for you to search and find him and to unblock him manually will be going through the inner search of the blocking list. This is where you actually type the name person or you type the handle. You're going to find the person and you're going to unblock the person from here. Don't try to do a lot of mistakes usually people do. They try to Google the person. They cannot find the person. Even Google will not show you the account that you blocked because the link associated with the Facebook account has been blocked from you. So you have to go on the blocking list on this particular privacy setting and then you can unblock it. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Facebook account. Simple and easy. First thing, let's launch the Facebook app. Then you want to click on the lower right corner where you see your profile picture. You click on it. Then when you have the launch menu over here, you want to head to the top and click on the gear icon, top right corner. After the gear icon is clicked, you want to find yourself to the account center over here. You want to click on the account center And the next step will be simply heading towards account settings and choosing personal details. You click on personal details and here you will find account ownership and control. Let's click on this and see what this gives us. 3 options, ladies and gents. What we're going to focus in this part of the video will be deactivation or deletion of the account. Very important is that there is a major difference between both actions. Very particular and main difference between coming here to delete your Facebook account and doing the similar thing on Instagram is that here you could actually delete Facebook accounts, and Facebook associated Instagram pages. So essentially, when you click on deactivation or deletion, everyone will see different screen. If you have multiple Facebook accounts, well, you will have multiple accounts with the option to delete. If you have multiple Instagram pages, the Instagram pages will appear over here and you could simply manually select which one do you want to delete or not. This is not available on IG. On Instagram, you can only delete one page at a time and you cannot see how many pages are linked to this account. Very, very interesting and very handy. This means that in some way, if you lose your credentials for your IG page, but you still want to delete the page, you can simply come here on Facebook and delete the page through Facebook settings. Very, very important pro tip. In my opinion, no one else talks about this. Also, guys, if you choose not to delete, you can simply deactivate your Facebook account. You can simply click deactivate, so your account will no longer be searchable in public. People will not be able to see your content. People will not be able to find your handle. So this is good if you try to hide yourself. Let's say you're on vacation or you have some do other business, so you want to temporarily suspend all the activity on your account. On the flip side, if you really want to quit the social media, well, you're most likely gonna go after the deletion. The deletion of the account, guys, works in the same way how the deletion of Instagram works. Meaning when you click delete, you have 30 days to go back and reactivate your account. If not, well, your account will be gone, your data will be gone, your files, your links, your messages, your tags, everything. So if you decide to delete, you want to make sure that you have all your files and data downloaded, including your content as well. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.